Hello everyone, this is Natasha Advani, an intuitive energy alchemist. I help people to clear mental and emotional issues and I help them to create the life they desire. Today's video is about 5 ways how we can stop financial anxiety. I know things are changing now. There is so much of economic crisis, economic showdown. So what's important is we have to face the fear and face the anxiety. By running away from it, it's not going to work out. So just face it and see your bank statement, see where the unnecessary expenditure you're doing. Maybe you've subscribed for too many magazines or unnecessary spending we are doing. So we have to keep a financial journal and check, write down. I always tell people, write down, even though it's 10 rupees, 50, 100 rupees, write down every day what expense are you doing, so that you have an idea of where your money is going and how your money is coming. A lot of when I ask a lot of women also, generally, because women normally don't tend to focus on finances. So I tell women, if whenever they have children and everything, if I ask you where your child is, you will say, oh, he's here only, he's there only. No, you will be very clear, right, where your child is, what is he doing, what's he eating. So it's very important to be very clear with your finances, okay, and look at your bank statement and see where is the unnecessary expenditure. Don't unnecessary, sometimes we do unnecessary expenditure where it's not required. So just relax, and then sometimes just close your eyes and self reflect and say, this too shall pass. Because everything comes and it goes. So anxiety is there because I know what all is happening, outside and all. But just by being anxiety and focusing on the lack, I always tell people, the more we focus on lack, the energy that we will create. If we focus on abundance, so we'll create that. And don't see create that. Don't see, I know there's too much negativity everywhere, the news, the phones, that what all is going on because of the crisis. But see, what are we again focusing on? Focusing on the lack, focusing on the negativity. I'm not saying that don't see it, be aware of what is happening, but we should focus more on the abundance mindset and see that, okay, if this, then what else is possible with my work. Ask this question. It's a very powerful question. What else is possible with my work, or anything, or health, relationship, which I never thought was possible, that which if I allow the possibilities, would create a different reality for me. This is a very powerful question, and see what shows up in your life. And another self check is, check also your ego. Sometimes the ego is also hurt and hit. Oh, I was making so much and now I'm not making so much, or I'm making this. But it's okay. As I said, there are ups and downs in life. If there are no ups and downs, then it's not called life. As we know, when a person dies, then only it's the straight line, then only we are stagnant. So yes, there are ups and downs in life, and say this too shall pass. It's just a matter of time that that this global crisis will come and it will pick up, and things will be in abundance, things will be in prosperity. So work on yourself, do more meditations, do things that you love. Since we all are at home, do things which will make you happy, and focus more on the abundance. And another very, very important tip is, have a gratitude journal. I always tell people before they sleep, or whenever you get time, have a gratitude journal, because the more we focus on gratitude and abundance, we'll create that in your life. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, and I would love to know that, I'm sure all of us go through a lot of crises in our life. So what did you do to come out of your crisis? As I always believe, you are the unique gift on planet Earth. And please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your family and friends. It's very, very important. And check out my website on www.natashaadvani.com. There's a free gift, so do check it out. Thank you.